we'll demonstrate chevron stitch. We'll start from left pattern. Come up at left line end. Take down at right line end. Don't pull thread tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Come up at midpoint of line segment. Pull thread. Take down at midpoint of upper horizontal line. Come up at its left segment. Take down at right segment. Same way, don't pull tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Come up close to this line stitch. Pull thread. Take down at midpoint diagonally below. Come up at left segment. Take down on right, forming a small mountain peak with a hat, or creating a large V shape. Let me demonstrate again. Come up at left of lower line segment. Take down on right. Same way, don't pull tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Come up at midpoint of line segment. Take down at midpoint diagonally above. Also come up from its left side. Take down on right. Come up close to this line stitch. Pull thread. Take down at midpoint below. Come up on left. Take down on right. Creating a V shape, like a small mountain peak with a hat, or rather, slightly sharp zigzag pattern line. Stitch small line segment above as its little hat. If, when stitching, worried about finding midpoint, you can place thread above and pull up. Pull to where it crosses horizontal line. This is the midpoint. Each time is left up, right down step. Following these operation steps, complete the remaining stitches. Chevron stitch, suitable for some edge embroidery or clothing decoration, can achieve great effects. Let's see the finished effect.